Today we will know how to create this colorful border like Instagram story. So in the HTML you can see here I have created one div and ID gave its ID as photo, and I have pasted one image here. And let's go to our CSS. Here I have target our div photo and I have gave the height 150 pixel with 150 pixel, and here I have gave the size of the image is 100% and with 100%. So let's check it. Now our image is looking like this. So we will give some property here. Here we will give border radius 50%. The same property we will give here also. Let's check it. You can see our div is converted into circle. Now we will give here border. To give the border we will give here linear gradient. So background linear gradient. Background linear gradient. We will give here four colors. First one is red, comma, yellow, comma, let's give here pink, comma, blue. We'll make it dark. Let's take this color. Now let's check it. So our border is not visible here, so we will give the padding. So now we will give here padding 5 pixel, and now let's check. So you can see here border is created like Instagram story. For more informative video like this, please subscribe our channel.